You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love. When you're sad and you're feeling lonely and you don't know what to do, there's a new best friend on the way from Pocketville just to meet you. Some puppy love to be there by your side and be with you night and day. The truest friend that you will ever know is only a wish away. Find a friend forever in Pocketville and believe in a puppy love story. No more tears in your eyes, no way. You got a new friend, it's a brand new day. Want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love. I think we've tired Dad out. Are you okay, Dad?
Yes. I mean, no. I'm exhausted.
Shall we take a break?
No, you keep going. Magic wants to go on.
Are you sure you don't mind?
You go. I'm gonna lie down. Oh, that looks like a good spot.
Enjoy your rest.
Thanks, sweetheart. And you keep a good eye on her now, Magic. Take care of her. Sometimes I think your dog understands just about everything I say.
He's a clever dog.
Your dad is pretty smart.
I hope so.
What's up?
Well, he mustn't find out about anything.
What? About you having a magic puppy and traveling to and from the puppy kingdom? He'd have to be super smart.
Yes, well, let's be careful. Now, we should look for Princess Ava while he's asleep.
She's not here.
Ava could be anywhere. This place is huge.
You can say that again.
You're right. The city is enormous.
Look out! Are you okay?
Wow. Well done.
All dogs like playing with frisbees.
Obviously. Where did it come from?
Sorry. I'm Liam. That's my frisbee.
Be careful where you throw it next time.
Magic?
Is your dog cross with me?
Not really.
He's right. The frisbee could have hurt you. It's not my fault. I threw it to Dad, but he didn't catch it.
Your dad?
We're supposed to be playing. Except as usual, he's talking on his phone. He'd rather do that than play with me.
You should tell him how you feel.
He's not going to listen. He's too busy to even talk to me.
You could try.
Yes, you could try.
It's no use. He's always
Okay, but listen,
busy.
if your people and my people can arrange a
Sometimes
meeting,
I
we
just
can
want
get
to
the
grab that
basic
phone.
outline of the thing sorted out at least and get something down on paper. We can then
See,
maybe...
Magic isn't angry with you.
I don't need it anymore.
Did you see that, Katie?
Liam needs a pet. Come on! We made it!
And a very soft landing.
Thanks to these pillows.
Thought you might like them. Although, it wasn't my idea.
Whose was it? Balloon? Mila?
Danny, you're full of surprises.
And do you have any news for us, Kate?
About Ava? Sorry, we've been looking, but we haven't found her yet.
You're here for another friendship ceremony? That's right. We're looking for a pet for this boy.
So here we go again. Kate is back with the other half of the jewel. That means another friendship ceremony. Zul, Gort, Krakia! Where are those fools? What the? Stop that now! I can't leave you alone for a minute!
But it's all Gort's fault.
It was Krakia's fault.
No, it was Gort and Zal.
Who cares? Look at this mess!
We'll put it all back.
Good as new.
Let me take him out.
There's no time. An image of a St. Bernard puppy has appeared on the jewel. That means you fly to Pocketville to find out what's going on while we take a trip to the mountains.
The Pocketpedia.
Ooh. But that's not a puppy.
Of course not, Danny.
That's never happened before.
Seems like it's trying to tell us something.
Yeah, but what?
Any ideas? Anything at all?
A frisbee? Wait, what did you say about frisbees?
Who, me?
You said all dogs like playing with them.
Yes, I do.
What are you doing?
Frisbees? You threw them! Maybe throwing it wasn't such a good idea.
Do you remember what Liam said to us?
It's no use. He's always busy.
Things we've got to work out. We've got to work out the fees.
Sometimes I just want to grab that phone.
And the contract has got to be absolutely...
See? Magic isn't angry with you at all. Maybe we need to talk to that St. Bernard.
Let's go and speak to him.
Me? To be friends with a boy?
Yes, that is if you want to, Otto.
Of course I do. It's just that,
You have something better to do?
No. But I should return to the cottage to say goodbye to my friends.
Okay, we'll come with you. All right, Magic?
But let's take the Royal Guards. We may need them just in case Eva and her gang try something.
It's really cold.
Shh. Don't let Eva hear you.
Too late! I heard you!
It's just that.
You're whinging again! How did I end up with such fools?
I hope you're not including me in that remark.
Krakia, I thought that you were...
I was spying on the girl. I have been.
So what's the news?
The girl and her dog are walking with the St. Bernard back to his cottage.
Perfect.
Be careful. The Royal Guards are with them.
The more the merrier. We'll give them all a warm welcome.
Nearly there. The cottage is this way.
At last, I'm freezing.
It's been a lovely walk, hasn't it, Magic?
Sure has.
And we found a magic drop on the way.
We have Balloon to thank for that one.
As always.
Oh, enough with all the compliments. It was just luck.
They're here.
Excellent. Come on, now!
What's that noise?
Avalanche! Go, go!
What happened? Magic!
So we meet again. Your friends can't help you now.
You caused the avalanche.
Stop wasting time and hand over the friendship heart.
Never.
You'll do as I say.
What do I do? It worked before. Zol, Gort, a frisbee, fetch!
Wait! Come back, you fools!
Help! Somebody! Otto needs help!
Foiled by a dumb frisbee!
Magic, are you all right?
I'm fine. Lucky our friends came in the nick of time.
Yes. We came just as soon as we heard your call, Kate.
Eva and her gang made a run for it.
Thanks, Hugo. You were really great back there.
Find a friend forever in Pocketville and believe in a puppy love story. No more tears in your eyes, no way. You got a new friend, it's a brand new day. Making friends forever is magical. The one by your side you can count on. All your dreams will come true today. A Pocketville friend will show you.
Okay, that's good, but look, we're going to have to get together next week. We could do Monday after...
Hi, little chap.
do
Hello.
Tuesday. Wednesday's a possibility. How's that for you? Yeah, that's right. Okay, well, yes, we can talk again tomorrow. Okay. Wait, whoa. Hey, good boy. Good boy. What the... Hey! I get it.
Yay, Dad, you're finished.
Do you want to play?
Yeah, but we need...
This?
Hey, where did you come from?
It's a long story, but I believe this is yours.
Thanks.
You were right. Otto was a perfect puppy for Liam. Did you see how he grabbed the phone from his father's hands?
Speaking of fathers, let's get back to mine before he notices that we're gone.
Oh, before it rains.
I just hope Princess Ava has shelter somewhere.
Oh, all I want is a little